attempt to do a cold start on this. My dad's over there. I didn't bother filming that one because that one starts up easy, but this one doesn't really start up that good. It should be over here. I'll probably have a video of that starting up too. He got something.